Hi guys, welcome back to Africanfabs. Hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe. Well, today I'm going to introduce to you something new, something fabulous, because the last video I did, I explained how to tie your head wraps. Well, we have good news for you. If you cannot tie a headscarf, this product is going to change your life. So this is an easy way of tying your hair. Actually, you need just like 3 steps, and sometimes it depends on how you want to do it. Well, this is not only for beginner friendly, but it's also for the pros out there. So it's actually for everybody. So you want to see different styles of how I wrap my easy head wrap. Stay tuned.
Calling me all night long, just constantly. She keeps on calling me, calling me. 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 So this girl, she been moving crazy, crazy. Calling on my line like baby, baby. Saying that she wanna have my baby, baby. While I'm here chilling with my man lady. She needs to take time. Moving like Drake on a hotline. She needs to take time. Moving like Ricky in a drive-by. She keeps on calling me all night long, just constantly. She keeps on calling me, calling me. 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 She give me toppy every time that I want it, and ride me the way that I need it. But I don't ever wanna lose what I got, especially when she go on like I eat it. She needs to take time. Tryna get some love on the fast time. She needs to take time, and realize she will never be mine. She keeps on calling me all night long, just constantly. She keeps on calling me, calling me. 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 Belling on my phone line, belling up my phone line, oh yeah. Belling on my phone line, belling up my phone line, oh yeah. Telling me she want me, telling me she want me, oh yeah. She keep on calling and calling me. She keeps on calling me all night long, just constantly. She keeps on calling me, calling me. 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 She keeps on calling me. She keeps on all night long, just constantly. Yeah. She keeps on calling me, calling me. 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 Especially when she go on like I eat it. She needs to take time. Tryna get some love on the fast time. She needs to take time, and realize she will never be mine. She keeps on calling me all night long, just constantly. She keeps on calling me,
thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you, stay safe, bye.